Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove phone number on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then at the bottom right click on the menu icon, here it is. Then at the top right click on the settings icon, and then click on the first option, Accounts Center, right up here. Then you'll see this interface. You need to scroll down and find personal details option, here it is. And then you need to click on the first one option, contact info. So after that you will see all your contact information. It can be your mobile number, your email address. So if you want to delete or change some phone number, you need to click on that one phone number. And then here in this interface you will see all your accounts associated with these phone numbers. So actually if you want to remove this phone number, you need to click on the delete number and then click on the delete again. So but if you have a two-factor authentication, you need to disable this authentication before deleting your phone number. So how you can do that is to go back again. In this interface, click on the password and security button, then two-factor authentication, and then you need to click on your Facebook account. Here you need to enter your password and then your two-factor authentication will be disabled. After that you can delete your phone number. So actually, and that's all, and that's how to remove phone number on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.